Assalamualaikum, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to learn activity book of English. Open your page number 22. Okay. Do you know which letter is this? J. J. And what is the sound of J? J. Okay. Is this capital and is this small? Okay, trace with me. Starting point, come down and down. Make a curve. Is this capital, okay? Small j. Very good. Okay. Jeja, Joker. Color the pictures that begin with J. Jelly, yes. Ink, ink, no. Jeep. Jacket. Gloves, no. Is this not glove? Is this hand? Okay, her hand. And jar. Okay, open your page number 23. Okay, write the capital J and small j accordingly. Okay, is this capital? No. Is this small? We write capital like this. Okay, is this capital? We write small. Very good. Is this capital? We write again small. Is this small? We write capital. Is this capital? No. Is this small? We write capital. Is this capital? We write small. Very good. Jeja, Joker. Okay. Allah Hafiz.